I'm Craig Alibone, owner and head pastry chef of Craig Alibone Patisserie and Champagneria. After working as a chef in England and France for over 8 years, I was very fortunate to be introduced to a very talented French pastry chef. He opened my eyes to the incredible capabilities of the patisserie industry. Within 6 months, I enrolled at Alain Ducasse Pastry School in Saint-Jean, France. From there, my career began. Having developed my knowledge and skills over the years, I found that in order to better myself and create something I truly believed in, I needed to start my own company. The Patisserie and Champagneria is a result of my vision and dedication to the industry. It also allows me to put a smile on people's faces. There's nothing better than seeing people having fun whilst trying the products we make. I think with society's thirst for more natural and pure products, chocolate beverages can present a more natural flavour palette. What I like about the ground chocolate is the compatibility with the chocolate shaker and the ease in which you can achieve a smooth blend and the creative freedom it gives. For my classic hot chocolate, I use full fat milk, ground chocolate and water, 3 ingredients that give fantastic results and mouthfeel. The ground chocolate has more advantages than cocoa powder because you're using a great balanced chocolate and fantastic profile, so there's no need to add sugar or any other flavours. The ground chocolate is not only great for drinks, it's a great ingredient to apply to baking as well. In my recipes I've used it for brioche, spice bread and shortbread. By adding the ground chocolate you get beautiful pops of dark notes. What I love about my job is the endless possibilities to be creative. The flavours, textures and the feeling when tasting these creations. The reaction and dedication it brings out in people. Probably the most rewarding part is the joy it brings to people's lives. For those few minutes we have the ability to make lives great.